Also, hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So tonight I have a quick haul video for you from Joann's. I did a curbside pickup to go and just a couple of issues, so I'll show you what those are. And also a finished bracelet that I made, actually 6 of them, at request for a friend of mine. So stick around and check it out. Alright, so I have a quick haul video here from Joann. So I placed an order online, and the reason I placed an order online was because a friend of mine wanted me to make her some bracelets using these natural fancy jasper stone beads. She had actually just looked online. They were $2 for each of these. So she had actually just looked online on my Facebook page and found a bracelet that she liked, and she wanted to go with these metal plates that have different sayings on them. So I had some. I had some more from what I had made the other bracelet. I just didn't have enough. So because she ordered 6 of the bracelets, so I had to go run to the store and get some. Well, you know, with everything going on right now, the store is open, but you know, if I can reduce any risk at any point, then you know I want to do that. So I just did curbside pickup. I placed an online order to pick up at the store, and so that's what I did. So when I placed this order, I ordered things based off of their description online, and I frequent Joann's pretty well, so you know I have a good general idea of, you know, the things that they sell. So there's a couple of things that I ended up not getting what I thought I was going to get. So so these next ones, and on this trip I wanted to get seed beads and gemstone beads. That was my goal on this shopping trip. I did spend like $46. So these are $2, and it said that they were the colored teal. Almost everything I got here was $2. But this, like, I don't know if you can really tell on the screen there, but it actually just looks like a really bright green. It doesn't look like what I would call teal. And then I got another one that is mint green AB. And you can see the difference between the two. I don't know if that helps it any better, but to me this is more of a turquoise, and this is just more of like a bright, like luster green kind of color. But yeah, so I actually didn't even remember ordering a green, and that's because it's teal, and that doesn't really look like teal to me. So if I saw it in the store, I would just call it green. I wouldn't have said teal. So another seed bead. This is rainbow. So I already have some of these. I actually already have some of these as well. I did not have these. And then this is blue AB. And these were all $2 each. You can see the shine on there. I really like these type of seed beads. They're not the kind that you want to do, you know, like any sort of bead weaving project with. They're all, you know, not uniform size, but I like them to make stretch bracelets with. And then just some white, which I already had some white. I just wanted to get some more. So that was all the seed beads. Alright, so then this one I got, it was just a bargain. It was $1.60. Just some turtles. I already have some turtles, so I just wanted to grab some more. So they're cute little guys. Alright, so then I picked up some more tigers. I already had some, but you know, $2 a piece. I figured I'll just go ahead and grab one of each. So I got an 8mm and a 6mm. So not the best price, but you know, I figure if I'm going to order stuff, I might as well just, you know, pick up some more, just kind of like a stash builder. So I also picked up some sodalite. Now on the card here, it just says natural stones, but what I ordered and what was on the receipt said sodalite. So there's those, and they were $2 each. So not my best deal shopping, but I just got lucky that the beads that I needed were on sale at 60% off. So. And then these were also each $2, and these are Australian jasper stone. So they're nice green-blue colors. And then the last few here are the ones that were, I guess, misleading. So this one, it said it's a black jasper, and I was like, well, you know, that's, you know, I guess it's just jasper that's dyed black. But then on here, yeah, it definitely says glass beads. Can you see that? There you go. So it says glass beads on there. So I'm like, all right. And they feel like glass. They sound like glass. So I'm like, all right. So not jasper. I guess I don't know why they would call them black jasper. They're just glass beads. So there was those. So that was disappointing. And then this one, same thing. They both said glass beads. And again, they were $2 and it said they were blue aventurine, which, I mean, they just look glass. They sound like glass. They feel like glass. Well, they kind of feel like a coated glass. But you can see like around the holes where it's like kind of a lighter color. It's like white in there. So to me, definitely not a stone. Doesn't feel like a stone. So that one was also frustrating. You know, $2 each. I wouldn't spend that on glass beads. And then these also kind of feel like they could be stone, but they said what I thought I was getting was rose dyed quartzite. But this actually says natural red jade stone. So I don't know. But I guess it kind of feels similar to this, but this definitely feels warmer, the blue ones. So these do feel cooler, so they might actually just be a stone, and they don't have the white around the holes. So I'm gonna guess these are actual stones, but is it natural red jade stone? They look like hot pink, they don't look red whatsoever. Or is it rose dyed quartzite? I don't really know. So I'm not sure what this would be called, but again, probably not something I would have picked up if I was in the store, but here it is. So that was everything. So this was just a short little haul. Like I said, the main reason for me even doing this was so that I could make these bracelets. I had enough to do about 4, almost 4, so I just needed a few more, and then I figured while I'm there I might as well just go ahead and pick up a couple more. So the strands weren't as long as I, for some reason thought they were going to be. It doesn't seem like a whole lot to get for $2. It's just basically like 1 8-inch strand, I would say. But there it is. So I'm gonna look online and see if I can find these gemstones cheaper. I'm sure that I probably can, but so that was it. That was it for this Joann's haul. Nice quick little video, and thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good night. Bye.